Hello and welcome. This short video will show students and parents how to navigate Sparx Science and how to complete science homework successfully. Sparx Science is our online platform for setting and completing science homework, and it plays an important role in helping students retain knowledge and prepare for exams. I'll show you how to log in, where to find homework, how to complete the task properly, and how parents can support at home. Now, students log into Sparx Science using their school email address or by simply clicking on this link here, log into Sparx using Microsoft. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Sparx Science homepage. So this is the Sparx Science dashboard. This is the main page students will see every time they log in. On the left-hand side will be the link to their homework, and down below their homework link, it will be the link to the independent learning. At the center of the screen, you can see any current homework tasks that have been set. Each task shows how many questions the students will need to answer to make sure that their homework is completed, and also when the homework is due. Students should always start by clicking on the task that is marked as incomplete. When you click into a homework task, Sparx will guide you step by step through a series of questions. These questions are carefully designed to check understanding and build long-term memory. It's important that students complete the questions independently without guessing or skipping steps. Here's an example of a question. For each question, students should read carefully, attempt the question, and then submit their answer. If an answer is incorrect, Sparx will provide an extra opportunity for students to try the question again. If a question or if a response is still incorrect, Sparx will then provide some support, such as a short explanation, a diagram, or a reminder of key knowledge. Students should take the time to read this carefully before trying again. This is a key part of the learning process. Mistakes are expected, and it also helps with their learning. Sparx will then give them the same question in a slightly different format, just to check for their understanding. Once all the questions are completed, the task will be marked as finished. Students should check that the task shows as completed on their dashboard. If the task is not marked as complete, Sparx will not record it as being done. Now, Sparx Science works best when homework is completed every week, on time and to a high standard. The platform adapts to student responses, so consistent effort leads to better understanding and stronger exam performance over time. It is advisable that students go above and beyond with their homework, and they can do this simply by clicking on the independent learning link here. What students can then choose to do is complete some personal practice, where Sparx will have identified questions that students have underperformed in previously, and it will show those questions again. Or students can choose to practice using flashcards, where a question will come up, and then students will then need to try and answer it. Again, if the incorrect answer is placed down, Students will then be given the key information. They simply click, OK, I've got it, and then they can reattempt that particular question. What students can also do is type in a specific code if they are looking for a specific topic that they want to focus on, or they can easily find it within these drop-down menus over here. For example, Key Stage 4 students can look at what we've been doing recently and then choose to practice that. For parents, the most helpful support is not giving answers, but encouraging good habits, setting aside time, working in a quiet space, and making sure their homework is completed before the deadline. If a student is regularly struggling or unable to access Sparx, please get them to contact their science teacher so that we can help support them. Parents, you will also receive an email from Sparx a few days before the due date for their maths homework. Within this email, you will see what they have been set in Sparx English, in Sparx Science, and also within Sparx Maths. Thank you for watching. Sparx Science is a powerful tool for building knowledge and confidence within science. And when students engage with it properly, it makes a real difference to their learning. Please make sure Sparx Science is completed every week, on time, and with care. Thank you.